This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today is Friday, December 10th, 2010, and today we're going to take a look at Ag Feed Industries. This is a NASDAQ capital market stock trading our ticker FEED. A little bit of a slide this year from up here around $4.80, trading about 50% of that now. Closed yesterday at $2.44. Volume is plenty good, almost 600,000 shares traded. Has an unfilled gap here. I'm not sure what happened. This is a technical look at it. It's making a higher low through here and holding a pretty good support level, so I want to see if this is giving any hints of a possible move. Overall, MACD with an uptrend. Histogram trending back towards zero at this point. Just now getting a bullish cross of the signal line. Very similar look with the PPO. Looks like we're going to get a breakthrough at the histogram there as well. ADX cutting right through the middle. This is on a pretty good downtrend. We don't get much from that from point to point because it's actually in an uptrend right through there. We're going to take it as this little part right through here is possibly slowing down this downtrend. Nice positioning of the positive and negative DIs. All getting down relatively low. Has a pretty decent look to it. MFIs, we got the 7 moving back up yesterday with the buying pressure. 14 and 21 have all turned now at this point. Still seeing an uptrend in the accumulation distribution. We're going to want to see it take out that point. Continue this trend up through here. Make a new higher high. Try to put together an upward channel. Jake and money flow is a little bit suspect. Of course, it's based on the accumulation distribution, but weighted a little bit differently. Not too far away from the zero line, but it is turned down, so we want to keep an eye on that. I'd like to see this turn back up at this point, head back towards zero to show that buying and selling pressure are relatively equal. CCI trending up. Tried to go oversold, turned around and came right back up yesterday. That has a nice look. Full stow trying to turn, holding over 20. That's the beginning of a bullish look right there. We want to see, of course, the signal line get broken. We want to see that signal line turn and roll back north. Tricks, we're going to want to see this continue to flatten through here and make its turn and roll back towards zero. Very nice look to the RSIs. Of course, we're going to want to see those continue. We want to see this 14 and 21 break through the sideways channel they're in and get above 50. As always, trading above 50 bullish, trading below 50 bearish. So you want to see them get back over 50 at this point. Even with this gap down, I like the fact that this is still trying to make a higher low through here. It appears that traders saw 230 as a buying opportunity. It's come down, hit it, come back down, held it again. Buying pressure came back in again yesterday to drive it up to 244. So we're going to look for that bottom support to continue to hold. Right there through that area, it actually draws a little bit of support from back in through here where it was resistance level, and a little bit of support right through there, so it has some historic basis to it as well. Pinned right against that 20-day moving average. Going to want to see it make that climb through that. I like this 50-day is still trying to trend up. Starting to trickle back down a hair right now. And it probably will as it catches back up to these days. But we're going to want to see that not get too extreme, and it won't if this makes a push back up towards it in the near future. It'll continue its uptrend towards the 200-day moving average. I'd look for it to meet a little bit of resistance, kind of right where it hit yesterday. See it hit a high of 248. Had a tough time there with it, only made it above it for a couple days, wicked above it. If it can break through that area, there's a good chance I would think that's going to come up here and test this 260, 263 area. That's putting you about an 8% gain somewhere in that neck of the woods. And again, if it can make it through there, then you're looking for this gap to try and get filled. I don't want to set a target too far away like that because it will meet some resistance right in here around $3 and a little bit more right in there through 280 or so. But if it can make it up here, it's going to be significant. 1, the gap will be filled. 2, the 200-day moving average is coming in here. Again, that's a large move from 244 all the way up to 310 or so. Very significant gains. Right now, it's baby step our way through. Let's see it hold this 234, climb above this 20-day moving average, and try and move above this resistance level that it hit yesterday. So we're going to keep an eye on feed, see if volume's going to continue to pick up, and see if it can try and make a move north and take a run at this 50-day moving average. As always, this chart is merely my interpretation. This is Andy with QualityStocks. Thanks for watching and trade smart.